Hello, how are you all? It's Jestina in the kitchen. This is my first video, so let's start cooking. Actually, I'm gonna do grilled chicken breast with olive salad. Actually, yesterday I seasoned the chicken breast already, as you can see. I season it with white pepper, al-Qaeda, salt, and the most important one for me is garlic powder. But before grilling the chicken breast, I would add in this one that is called smoky grill. I bought it from Lidl. I've tried it once and it tastes so good because I have to grill it on the grilling pan, which is this one. If you don't have it, it's really good. This is the one I use actually if I can't grill outside because of the weather. It's very cold right now, so I can't grill outside. So this is the one I use. I don't want chicken breast. I'm gonna add in, I normally use grill oil, but I forgot to buy grill oil, so this is the one I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, like just for it not to stick on the frying pan, on the, I have to call it the grill pan. Just a tablespoon would do. And then before mixing it up, wash my hands properly. So actually I'm gonna mix it with my hands. If you want to add in any more seasonings to your satisfaction, you can do that. But for me, it's just lime, or how to call it, al-Qaeda, salt, garlic powder. I'm gonna start and then drop a little bit of oil. You can use a tissue paper just to rub it properly. To grease the pan up properly with the oil. So yeah. Now let me show you what the salad is gonna be. I'm gonna use this olive. It's called whole Gouda olives. One. I'm gonna use this one too. It's called Calamon olives. And this is just the normal olives, black olive and the green olive. I'm going to use 2 pickled onions, and then roasted red peppers. We call it paprika in Swedish. This one is red peppers. It's roasted. You can get it from your grocery store or Lidl. Here I bought it from Lidl. And then last but not the least, dried tomatoes in oil. And then this one is the red onion. I'm gonna peel. The pan is now hot, so I'm starting to grill, but I have to lower the temperature to 6 or to 5, not too high. I'm telling you, if you taste this chicken, this grilled chicken, you won't stop doing it. It's really tasty and healthy, so you can try it, and then you can comment down below and tell me what you think. You can serve the chicken too with rice if you want, with this salad that I'm doing, or you can serve it with salad, iceberry salad, or rocco salad. It's up to your satisfaction, but I'll show you at the end of the video how I'm gonna serve it. So by the time I'm waiting for my chicken, let me just peel my onion. I've already peeled my onion. So let me just put it down there. Now I'm starting to chop the onion. You can chop the onion to whatever size you feel like, but for me, I like to chop it a little bit thin, into thin slices. Let me just put the temperature up a little bit so it will get brown. And that's the onions chopped right in the bowl. And then secondly, let me show you. Always use a clean, dry spoon when you're dipping it inside. That's it. And then in here, so don't use anything that is metal on it, only plastic. Now we are adding in the black olive. The meaning of adding in different olive is the flavor of the olive and the color. because when you're preparing food, it's always advisable to make the food attractive, and when it's attractive, then you can have appetite to eat. And now is the using a clean spoon. Too much because my son, the last boy, don't like to eat. And then this one is the kalamata, we say it in Swedish. After using the black olive, this one I always want to put it in the fridge. The other ones are okay, but this one I would like to put it in the fridge. And that's my green olive, the one without seeds. The roasted paprika. So now I'm going to slice it, not so very thin and not so very thick. And this one is the dried tomato in oil. And please, please, please don't throw away the oil, because this oil is the one that we're going to mix in here, but not all, just 2 to 3 teaspoons. And there is another one too that I didn't show you that I'm going to add in. I'm going to add this one too. It's called kapash. I don't know how to call it in English actually, but it's called kapash. It looks like this. So now let me slice the tomatoes, dried tomatoes too. Now I'm going to show you what I'm gonna add into my salad. As usual, I'll grate just a pinch, because it's like all the seasonings that are coming in. Salt brings out the flavor, so a pinch of salt too. And then this one, the tangible taste. How is it? Chili, flaky chili, bought it from Lidl. White pepper, just a pinch of everything so that it won't be too much. No, not garlic. And then is the soya sauce, just 1 teaspoon. As I was told you before, the oil, this is the one I'm gonna add into the salad. Let me just remove this from it. So just 2 tablespoons, sorry. And then last but not the least, that brings the flavor out, is oregano. Now I'm gonna mix it. Roasted paprika. It looks, isn't this beautiful or delicious or appetizing? So it's so easy, it doesn't take time. That's my salad. The salad is ready. And now continuing with the rest of the grilling. Let's see. Whilst I'm waiting for the chicken to be grilled, I'm trying to clear up the other dirty things in here so it will be easier for me later on. The grilled chicken is done. That's it. You see how delicious it is. It looks good, isn't it? Now I'm just gonna cover it with foil so it will get dry, so the moist will be moist before we have our lunch. Just put it aside. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of pommes for my son don't like the grilled chicken with salad. That's my salad. I'm gonna add in my tomatoes and cucumber. That's it, actually, as you can see. I'm adding it into the salad. You can add in sweet corn to your satisfaction, but today I'm not adding in sweet corn. So that's it. It's really attractive. Put it in the fridge. Now, let me show you. I have my plantain here. I'm really crazy with plantain. Actually, I normally grill them on the grill pan, but today I'm gonna fry them. So this is the pommes. So my people, everything is done. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna dress the plate for serving. I have a little bit of rice here. Then I'll take hummus on the side. Then salad, olive salad on the side. And then with a little bit of dressing to your satisfaction of milk. Just a bit on the side. So, and that's my dish for today. So you're all welcome, people. Thank you for today. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my video. Share, like, comment, and subscribe, so you'll be the next person to watch my video when I upload. Take care. Bye. Love you all.